I welcome to my YouTube channel Fluent English Language and Spoken Classes. I am Mark Kumar and I have brought a very interesting video for you. It is about voice. In my last video, you have read about active voice and passive voice, and it is all about based on tense. Today we will read more than that. Let us see. There are many questions, means many active voices in which you will find it does not give you clear concept of tense. For example, he is to write a letter. Okay? For such question, you can't decide which tense it is actually. This is not simple present or present continuous like. Okay. So, for any active voice which contains auxiliary verb here, or maybe it contains modal auxiliary, I will give you a very easy and simple trick, and such questions very simply, easily, quickly can be done by you, converted into passive voice. So let me write one construction for you. As you have read, object plus auxiliary verb. I am including here modal verb as well. Okay, modal auxiliary verb. Okay. To be V3 by and subject. Here this is your passive subject. You know, this is your passive subject. I have already explained. I always explain these things. You should not forget. It is your passive object. Okay. You can see this construction will help you to convert active voice into passive voice if it looks like this. In place of is, there can be was, are, has, have, was, were, had, any auxiliary or maybe modal verb I am saying to you, can, could, will, would, may, might, must, should, any auxiliary verb or any modal verb if you find after subject, just this sentence and this construction, and your active voice of such type can be converted into passive voice simply. Let's have few examples. So what do you think should be correct answer for this question according to this construction? Now this is your object, this is your subject, okay, and this is your verb. So a letter is to be written by him. Okay, your question is he is to write a letter. A letter is to be written by him. Is it okay? Another example I will take, only just you pay attention. They had to help the poor man. See, again this is the same, right? This is your auxiliary. They had to help the poor man. This is your auxiliary. It does not give you sense of any particular tense actually. Means it is not past perfect. You can see. Such question looks like to help. It is to infinitive. to infinitive, 2 plus V1, and you will find any auxiliary or maybe any model. So again same construction I am saying to you. It is so easy, so simple. This construction only you will keep in mind and all will be clear. So what do you think should be your correct passive voice? This is your object, the poor man, okay? This is subject and this is your verb, help. So your answer should be based on this construction again. The poor man had to be helped. V3 I have already told. Any passive voice contains third form of verb. To be helped by, this is their subject, it will be written there, helped by them, okay? One example containing model auxiliary verb, okay? You may help the child, okay? This is your model auxiliary verb, okay? Same construction you have to follow. What do you think? The child is the object here, this is subject here, this is your verb, okay? Follow the construction. The child may be helped by you. Little change you will do if you are changing active voice into passive, and if it is containing, your active voice is containing modal auxiliary verb, only TO2 should be removed, okay? In which case, if your active voice contains modal auxiliary here, you have seen, if your active voice contains only auxiliary, you have to follow whole construction. By the way, if your active voice contains modal auxiliary verb only, from the construction TO2 you will not use, it is okay. So the child may be helped by you. Is it okay? Now next, you have to think. In my last video I could not say, just I have remembered, and that also I have to explain for you. In the passive voice, in the last, object is not necessary to write for all kinds of passive voice, I mean. For example, the doctor treated the patient, okay? The patient. So what do you think should be correct answer? The doctor treated the patient. So this is your subject and this is your object. So and this is your verb, okay? Your active voice, this is. In the time of writing passive, your answer should be the patient was treated, okay, by the doctor. It is not necessary to write why. It is because it is simply known by anybody that treatment of a patient is done by a doctor. Therefore, likewise, there can be many active voice. When you change into passive, you have to keep your sense and think whether the subject means nominative case is known by people or not. If it is known like this, the doctor, treatment of a patient is done by the doctor, it is known by the people, therefore this is not necessary to write here by the doctor. Is it okay? Okay. Now next, if there is active voice which begins with there is, there are, there was, there were, then how to convert into passive? See, there is something to eat. Okay, this is your active voice which begins with there is. Maybe you will find here there are, was, were. So for this construction will help you. See, there plus auxiliary means is, are, was, were, especially. Okay, is, and this is your noun. Here you will find any other noun plus 2 plus B plus V3. It is okay? So what do you think should be correct answer for this? Question is there is something to eat. This is your verb here, okay? Follow the construction. There is something to be eaten. Okay? There is something to be eaten. Any other question? There is nothing to do. Another example. This is your active voice. This is your passive. There is nothing to do. Okay? This is your verb. You can say this is infinitive goes in the end of the sentence. It begins with there is or there was, no matter. Okay? So your construction you have to follow here. There is nothing to be done. There is nothing to be done. Is it okay? It is clear? Next. If your active voice begins with it is time. It is time, and many sentences like this can be formed. Let me write one question. It is time to write a letter. Okay? It is time to write a letter. This active voice, as you see, begins with it is time and to infinitive. This is your object. Okay? Like this. Many sentences can be formed likewise. So, one construction only will solve all this type of active voice and passive voice problem. So, your construction is it, auxiliary, here auxiliary means is or was especially. Okay? Here is or was only you have to think. Is or was. Time for, you have to use for here, okay? Plus for, here you have to write object, okay? That is object. To be and V3 will go at the end of the sentence. So what do you think should be correct answer for this active voice according to construction? Okay, it is time for a letter to be written. Okay, take another example. This is active voice, this is your passive. Another question. It was time to call in the doctor. Okay, this is your phrase, call in. This is your object. Okay, and your this active voice begins with it was time. It can be was, it can be is, no matter. Okay, so follow the construction. It was time for the doctor. Follow the construction. Okay, for the doctor to be. Okay, to be called. To be called, that is V3, called in. Doctor to be called in. Called in. Okay, this is phrase, and in is part of this verb. So in the time of writing this passive voice, you have to use in here. You cannot remove it. Okay, so you have read how active voice containing it is time, it was time can be converted into passive voice easily with simple and one construction. If your active voice contains the word about, but it does not give you sense of any particular tense, that it is neither simple present nor simple past, nor it is present continuous clear, but it is something like this. See, he is about to read the book. Okay, this is your object. You can see it is not present continuous, it is not simple present even, but it contains auxiliary and to infinitive here. So your passive voice should be written like this. Object, auxiliary, about, to, be, plus V3, plus by, plus subject. Okay, you can see this is, okay, your passive subject. Okay, passive subject, your passive object. Actually this is, I have written here subject for your easy learning. Okay, so your what should be your answer? You can see here, he is about to read the book. The book object, that is, it will be written in the beginning. The book is about, here is means here auxiliary means the same auxiliary used in active voice, or maybe if your subject here appears in plural form, it will be converted into are or were, like That is simple. It is easy thing. You know yourself. You can do this. The book is about to be written. Sorry, read. Be read. That is third form. By. That is he. It will go here. Him. Okay. The book is about to be read by him. So any question which contains about to infinitive, it does not look any particular tense very clear, but something is like this. This single construction will help you to convert into passive voice. Now next, one thing I have to say, eating in hurry and learning in hurry is never beneficial. So in the beginning of my video, I requested the students to read peacefully, learn peacefully, watch my video also peacefully, and 100% I guarantee you that you will get much more. You will be highly satisfied. You will be very happy. Just you have to watch the video from beginning till the end peacefully. Now next, you may find active voice. I am going to write a letter. He is going to buy a book. They are going to carry the heavy box. He was going to explain the lesson. Going to plus V1. Okay? And one construction for such active voice, and all active voice you will convert into passive. Let's have example. See, he is going to write a novel. Okay? This is your object. This is your verb, that is to infinitive. Okay? To infinitive. To plus V1. He is going to, they are going to, we are going to, I was going to, Mr. John was going to, any sentence likewise, and single construction you see here. Subject means actually it is object, you have to think it is passive subject. Okay? Passive subject. Auxiliary means, let me write here is or was. It will be is, was, are, were. Okay? Any. Going to be plus V3 plus by plus subject will be written there, that is passive object. Okay? See. Now, what do you think should be correct answer for this? He is going to write a novel. A novel is going to be written by him. No? Your passive should be, a novel is going to be written by him. Okay? Yes. Likewise, any active voice containing going to plus V1, like this, if you find this construction and little practice, and everything will be okay. No problem. Okay? Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that you can receive updated videos like it. Thank you.